Muneeni wa Selikali Mwaura Niwavuthiisya Uteti wa Ngaliko ya Ulei Aiweta Kana Nimaemetwe ni Kukwata Ngoo ya Enenthi. Aineena na Aandiki Mauvoo Kunengane Livoti ya Kila Kyumwa ya Uthukumi wa Selikali. Mwaura Niwaweta Kana Ngaliko ya Ulei Yithiitwe Iikuna Uteti Uteutethya Enenthi na kiuni cho Kitumi Mataneesinda Kivila ona Kimwe Nthini wa munyumbani manini ala manavitukie mwaka mweu nukwelesya.
Muneeni wa Selikali Mwaura Niwavuthiisya muto wa Uteti wa Ngaliko ya Ulei Aiweta Kana atongoi ala matongoesye Ulei vanthi ya Kenya kila mesi kingi nekelele ni Nimaemetwe ni kumewithya Enenthi kumatia.
The government, the ruling party winning all of the 4 seats, and then we hear the people in the opposition saying, oh no, these kind of things. I mean, the best way to know what people are thinking is the results of the elections. All those other things are shenanigans. So really, that is a very good thing, and we congratulate the people of Isiolo, and also Bere for giving us the Mapacha, the twins, in the Evurorian Muminje. That is really, really wonderful. And if anyone is doubting, you can shout out here and hold huge public rallies. But the truth of the matter is, what matters is at the ballot. It's how many people show up, and then we move on. So if really truly you are strong as you do, then prove it in the ballot.
Aineena na Aandiki Mauvoo Mwaura yingine wakulia atongo Ngaliko ya Ulei kuweka kulicha siasa mbangani andeke laina mukitiki ya muyumbe wa kilombunge chae murua dikiri Joana Ngeno.
Let the family mourn. You cannot just use that opportunity, and especially members of the opposition, in casting aspersions and making wild allegations that are unsubstantiated. I think that is totally unacceptable, and dramatizing everything just to make, and to settle political scores. I think that is totally unacceptable.
Vindane Muneeni uyo wa Selikali ni wakulia Kenya ala mendisia walavu ni kuolanga miendelezo na madhisuvia. Aimadhulia makwatwa ni vata wame tukima kuna namba siame kumukanilia ile inenganito ni Selikali kufikia ituesya Kenya ndila mai.
Already, all Kenyans who are in those areas that are affected by the existing conflict in the Middle East are advised to avoid any place that there is conflict, to reduce movement, and also to take care of themselves and use the numbers that have been provided across various platforms to reach out to our embassies. The government remains very committed to ensuring the safety of all of Kenyans who are, working or studying or going about their business in the very many places that are affected, by this conflict that is now going on.
Livoti ya vilingi wa Mauvoo ni toa mwaka mweu.